If you are tired of eating samgyeopsal every time you go to Korea, you must check this out. This is Crazy Lamp in Yewa. Just 3 minutes walk from Yewa Station Exit 4. First thing that I love about this place is it's very affordable and they have automatic griller. No need to constantly clicking your meat. Just sit, relax, and enjoy your meal. And they are serving lamb, beef, pork, shrimp, sausages, and different kind of noodle, and a lot of more. And the automatic griller cooks the meat evenly, which means you can spend more time eating, chatting with your friends, instead of focusing on grilling and flipping your meat. What I love about here is there is a lot of variety of food that I can choose to. And the best part, it's just 19,900 won. No more burnt meat and constantly flipping your meat, just enjoying delicious and good food. So if you're looking for fun and stress-free Korean barbecue experience, Rizalab is definitely worth visiting. So if you're going to Seoul, you must check this out.